In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-lock secure folder on Samsung Galaxy device. So, if you open the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy device, just like this, you'll be prompted to type your secure folder passcode, or you'll be prompted to unlock the secure folder with your fingerprint or pattern or password. So this depends on the lock type you choose to secure your secure folder. So in this case, you will learn how to lock your secure folder automatically. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to auto-lock secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy phone is open the Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on security and privacy or biometrics and privacy. So this depends on the type of Samsung device you are using. Open that and then scroll down and click on more security settings. Once you open more security settings, click on secure folder. Now type in your secure folder PIN, password or pattern to unlock the secure folder. Once that is unlocked, then you need to click on auto lock secure folder. With the auto lock secure folder on your Samsung phone, you can easily lock your secure folder based on preference. Then once you click on that, you have few options available here. You can auto lock the secure folder each time you leave the app. You can lock when screen is off. You can lock after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 13, and you can choose to lock the secure folder on your Samsung phone whenever you restart your phone. However, to lock your Samsung phone secure folder automatically, you need to click on each time I leave an app. Then once you selected that, you should see auto lock secure folder is set automatically each time you leave app. So this is going to auto lock your secure folder on your Samsung phone each time you closed an application you added to secure folder on your device. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.